We have collected some of the best air fryers in 2024, so you don't have to. From compact models for small kitchens to advanced units with smart features, our top 10 list ensures you'll find the perfect fit for your healthy, crispy, and quick meals. And remember, all these links are in my bio, so make sure to check them out. The Bear Air Fryer Oven revolutionizes healthy cooking with its steam baking technique at 4D stereo hot air circulation, delivering meals with 85 to 90% less oil. It features 8 preset modes for effortless cooking and a shake reminder for event results. The 5.3 quart capacity is perfect for 2 to 4 people, fitting 1.5 pounds of fries or a 6-inch pizza. Monitoring is easy with a clear cook window and internal light, eliminating the need to open the basket. And cleanup's a breeze with a dishwasher-safe, non-stick basket tray. The air fryer's micro steam and hot air grill offer a healthier, flavorful cooking alternative. It includes PTFE coating that is PFOA-free for safety. Priced at $62.99, this air fryer is a compact, efficient, and safe option for quick and healthy meals. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is a modern appliance that offers 6-in-1 functionality to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. It features even crisp technology for a perfect golden finish and tender results every time. The one-touch smart programs make cooking wings, veggies, potatoes, cookies, and more a breeze. With a fast preheating feature, it turns frozen foods into hot meals quickly with a temperature range of 49 to 205 degrees Celsius. Cleaning is effortless with its non-stick dishwasher-safe basket and tray, and the compact design with stainless steel accents fits well on any countertop, and the air fryer's ideal for 2 to 3 servings, perfect for small families. It comes with the Instant Brands Connect app for discovering new recipes, and it has a built-in safety features like overheat protection. The control dial and message bar enhance user experience by simplifying adjustments and providing timely notifications. This kitchen essential replaces up to 6 appliances, ensuring quick, delicious, and healthy meals. And the price for this convenience and versatility is $80. And this is just the beginning. Keep watching because we have saved the best of all at the end of this. The Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to cook a variety of dishes with ease. It boasts a substantial 5.8 quart capacity and a temperature range of 76 to 204 degrees Celsius. The time setting can be adjusted up to 60 minutes, catering to different cooking needs. This air fryer is equipped with Adapt IQ technology, ensuring rapid 360-degree air circulation for quick, evenly cooked, and crispy results. With 12 one-touch cooking functions including toast, bake, steak, chicken, preheat, keep warm, etc., the personalized shake reminder is a unique feature that can be added or removed based on user preference, reminding them to shake the contents for an even fry. The air fryer is also capable of more than just frying. It can reheat, defrost, toast, and bake, making it a multifunctional tool for any kitchen. It serves 3 to 5 people, fitting a whole 5-pound chicken in its square basket, ideal for family meals. Additionally, the package includes a Cosori cookbook with 100 chef-created recipes to inspire home cooks. The price of the Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer is $98.98, offering a cost-effective solution for healthier cooking. The Chef-Man Multifunctional Air Fryer is a versatile appliance that offers a variety of cooking methods including air frying, baking, dehydrating, rotisserie, and roasting. It uses rapid air technology and a high-speed convection system to cook food quickly and evenly with little to no oil. This air fryer is designed for convenience with 17 preset options and a capacitive touch control screen for easy operation. It has a large 10-liter capacity, suitable for family meals or meal prepping in bulk. The appliance includes 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie oven spit with a retrieval tool, and a drip tray for easy cleanup. The price for this all-in-one cooking solution, which simplifies mealtime and promotes a healthy lifestyle, is $100. The GoWise USA Air Fryer is a sleek appliance that lets you enjoy your favorite foods with fewer calories. It's designed to fry, bake, grill, and roast using minimal oil. The air fryer features a modern touchscreen menu with 8 cooking presets for various dishes. It operates within a temperature range of 82 to 203 degrees Celsius and includes a 30-minute timer. This model introduces a start and stop button to adjust settings mid-cook and an alarm to remind you to shake ingredients. This 5.8 quart cooking space comes with a non-stick pan and a detachable basket, both designed with safety in mind. A recipe book with 50 recipes is included to inspire a variety of meals. This air fryer, priced at $103, is a thoughtful gift for anyone looking to cook healthier meals conveniently. Now, that's quite impressive, but don't forget the best of all is still waiting for you at the end. The Salter Dual Air Fryer is an energy-efficient appliance. It can save up to 59% on energy bills compared to cooking with a 1.8 kilowatt electric oven. It features two 4.1-liter independent frying trays, allowing for the simultaneous cooking of different foods or large portions. The Dual Air Fryer has an impressive 8.2-liter total capacity, suitable for family-sized meals. This air fryer offers 12 cooking functions and is equipped with 1,450 or 1,750 watts of power. The adjustable temperature control and 60-minute timer provide flexibility in cooking. The sync and match cook functions ensure both compartments are ready at the same time, with a temperature pause and resume function for convenience. A healthier cooking option, the Salter Air Fryer requires minimal oil, preserving the taste while reducing fat intake. It comes with a cooking chart and recipes for meats, fish, vegetables, desserts, and even dehydrating fruit. The price for this Salter Dual Air Fryer is $143. The Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer is a family-sized kitchen appliance with a 6-quart capacity, perfect for preparing meals for families or social gatherings. It features 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm, offering the versatility to create a variety of dishes. The air fryer comes with 5 easy presets on a digital display, streamlining the cooking process for optimal results. Powered by 1,800 watts, the air fryer has an adjustable temperature control of 232 degrees Celsius, providing precise cooking control for perfect crispness and browning. A 60-minute timer with an automatic keep warm function ensures food remains warm until serving time. The non-stick dishwasher-safe crisper basket makes cleanup effortless. This air fryer promotes healthy cooking by using little to no oil, delivering meals with a crispy crunch. The pre-programmed settings, toss notification, and viewing window add convenience to the cooking experience. The price for this versatile and convenient Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer is $150. The Philips Air Fryer Double XL is equipped with unique fat removal technology to reduce and capture excess fat, making it possible to fry with 90% less fat. With a 3-pound capacity, it's ideal for serving up to 6 people. This air fryer heats up instantly and cooks 4 times faster than traditional ovens. No preheating required. It's not just for frying. The Philips Air Fryer can also bake, grill, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and toast, replacing multiple kitchen appliances. Cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts and a quick clean basket, and it also produces less odor and splatter than conventional fryers. For troubleshooting, ensure the drawer is fully closed and the temperature set correctly. The Philips Air Fryer Double XL is priced at $155, offering a versatile and healthy cooking solution. The Ninja XL 2-basket air fryer stands out with its dual-zone technology and 2 independent 5-quart baskets, allowing the preparation of 2 different dishes simultaneously. This technology includes a smart finish feature, enabling 2 foods to be cooked in different ways, yet finish at the same time, and the Match Cook feature, which duplicates settings across zones for meals using the full 10-quart capacity. The Ninja XL air fryer is priced at $189.99, offering a blend of convenience, efficiency, and healthful cooking options for modern kitchens. And finally, the beast you all have been waiting for, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. It's equipped with the Element IQ system, which is a powerhouse of cooking versatility. It offers 11 cooking functions, including a dedicated air fry setting that produces guilt-free French fries and chicken wings with a crispy golden finish. The Element IQ system utilizes 5 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to direct power for an ideal cooking environment, while the super convection technology can slash cooking time by up to 30%. The integrated oven light and LCD display enhance cooking convenience. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is available for $350. And that's it for today, but before you leave, please make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great videos in the future.